Hi, Julie. Thank you very much for asking for clarification. So I'll do a video of this besides the written explanation. So unfortunately, I'm not that good at video, so I don't have a pointer. But if you look at this tax credit calculator, and that's in a special quote engine that I have, because it gives me more details than the Kaiser calculator, and I find it a lot easier and more reliable than the Covered California calculator. So the first thing we need to know when we do the federal poverty level calculation and see how much subsidy you'll get, the first thing we need to know is the number of people in your family. That's how many people are on your tax return. So the easiest way is if you go to our website at the very top, where it says health reform free instant quotes, go there, get your quotes, put in the ages, the dates of birth, and then send us an email. We'll put in your income. So here you can see it shows number of family members 2, then your household income. Okay, and that's not necessarily what you did in 2012. It's what you expect to make in 2014. They ask for your tax return simply to give a basis, but where it really counts is 2014, because that's what your taxes are based on. And if you put the wrong number, you may have a tax penalty when you do your 2014 taxes. So in all the law and everything, there's a percentage of the max you have to pay for a premium depending on your federal poverty level. So for our sample person here, the most they pay is $93 because there's a 4.51% maximum based on their income, which means they get a subsidy of $303 a month. Now that subsidy is good for whether they take a platinum plan, a silver plan, bronze, or whatever. It's $303 a month. Generally, I recommend that you take a silver plan if you're getting a subsidy, because right here it says cost share reduction. So normally a silver plan pays 70% of expected claims, but in this case your cost share reduction is 87%. So you're getting not only a $300 subsidy, but an 87% increase, or a 17% increase. So that's almost a 90% platinum plan. If you're married, you are mandated to file jointly. If you did it single in the past or whatever, that's fine. But when you do your 2014 taxes, you sign an agreement that you'll file jointly. Now, you might pay more in taxes filing jointly than separately, but you have to compare the subsidy or tax credit to the other thing. And if you look on my site, I do have a calculator for that. So here it shows a federal poverty level of 161%. So you can get subsidies up to 400% of federal poverty level. If you make less than 138%, then you go on Medi-Cal. And if you're in between, I have a chart that'll show you kind of where you're at. And sometimes if you're up to, say, 250% of federal poverty level, look at the chart. Your kids can be on Medi-Cal, but the adults won't. Now, the benchmark rate, if you look at all the silver plans on the quote, the second lowest one is your benchmark rate, and that's kind of like what they figure the average is. So these are the numbers, and they're all based on what you tell me your 2014 expected income is. So if you have any questions, please email me, put a comment at the bottom, or give us a call. Thank you very much.